How to set up combined shipping rates for multiple products on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can combine the shipping rates for multiple products with only one app or integration. So we are going to head over Shopify store, then we are going to sign in into your account until we see here the admin dashboard of our Shopify store. We're going to click on the search bar at the top, and then we are going to type in the name of the app, which is going to be Ship Easy, like that. And we are going to search for it on the App Store. So we have here the Ship Easy. I'm going to add here shipping by Ship Easy. It is going to search for it. So this is the new nomination of the app. It was shipping rates by Ship Easy. Now it is named here log-based shipping rates. So we are going to install it. So here we are going to click on the, as you can see here, the install. So we are going to put it just like this. Click on install. Then we are going simply to head over here. So it is going to create the, let's say, shortcut for the app. So I'm going to pin it to the navigation. Now we are going to set up the app. So we are going to click on get started. Now apps is testing mode. So we are going only to use the testing mode. I'm going to head over the app, as you can see here, page. So let's go ahead and activate the plan. So I'm going to use the free plan. So the free plan is available. So we are going to put it on save. So after setting up the plan, we need to head over the product and then we are going to create a, let's say here, something in common with the products that we are going to set up the same shipping for. So this is going to be either a tag or going to be the same SKU code. So I'm going to head over, for example, here the products because this method needs to group a lot of products or some of the products into only one group, and that group should be tagged or have the same, let's say, coding or something similar to each other, so we can put the app in, let's say, in the right side for knowing the products that should be added in the same group, so we can combine them. So I'm going to head over the tags. I'm going to put here tag, for example, here shoe. I'm going to add the shoe tag. I'm going to click on save, and then we are going to add another product. So I'm going to head over here and select another product. So I'm going to put the same, let's say here, shipping method to it. So I'm going to click on view all. So I'm going to tag it here also as shoe. So I'm going to add this tag to it. I click on save and boom. Here we have created our tag for that specific, let's say, product. And then what I'm going to do is to add here another, let's say here, a tag. And this is going to be a different tag. So I'm going to add here sneakers, for example, sneaker. I'm going to add the tag of sneaker to this one. And then we are going to have it just like this. I'm going to head over the app again. It is going to be called log-based shipping rates. Now we are going to create a scenario, and this scenario is going to combine the products for the specific, let's say, shipping. So the scenario name is going to be here shoe, like that, and the status is going to be enabled. The condition, so all conditions must watch. For example, here the cart, as you can see here, we have quantity equals. So we are going to change the quantity of the or the type of the condition is going to be by tag. So we are going to have here tag. So we are going to have something as tag. So normally we're going to have it as tag. So since it is going to be for the upgraded plan, so we are going to ignore that and we are going to set up here the weight. So we are going to put here the, as you can see, the weight for example, we are going to put a weight of a kilogram, which is going to be 1,000 gram. And then we are going to, if we want to add another condition, go ahead and put it. So for the shipping rates, we have the general profile like domestic, international, or all countries. So we can go ahead and click on add the shipping rate to one, for example, shoe rate and we are going to put it as enable delivery range or time range, for example, here 1 to, let's say here, 9 days. Description is optional, notes, and I'm going to select the criteria calculating the shipping rate, which is going to be not the cart quantity but the cart weight. So the fixed amount or the shipping cost type is going to be a fixed amount. Like here, we are going to put a range value for the minimum of 1000 gram to, let's say here, 2 shoes, for example, or 3 shoes for 3000, or 3 shoes like that. Shipping cost is going to be, let's say here, uh, $30 or €30. And you can add another rate if you want. You can go ahead and apply some discounts or modify the shipping rate, and then you are going to see combine shipping rates. So we are going to set up the shipping rates here for the tags as, let's say here, we're going to combine them as shoe rate, for example, like that, and click on save. Now, as you can see, we have set up everything for the shoes to from 1 up to 3 shoes. It is going to be here $30 or €30. So also you can go ahead and click on combine shipping rates and add the other things. So here it is going to be an upgradable option, but here we have already set up the combination for the products. And here for the combination of shipping rates, it is going to be here combining different products into, let's say here, different type of products and not different or multiple products. So here you can do the same for every type of product. So we are going to head over to products. I'm showing you only the free method. So it could be here done with the paid method, which is going to cost you a subscription. But here, what are we going to do is to modify the product instead of the tag. We are going to let the tag, but the weight of the product is going to be changed. So that means that we need to set up the weight for that specific product and modify it from here. So you can go ahead and see the weight of the product from the beginning of that product. And here, as you can see, you are going to put the product weights from here. So we are going to set over the shipping. Then you are going to set up the, as you can see, the unit to like that, grams, put here 1000 and click on save. Then you are going to be good to go. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.